Hello friends, welcome to Techy Sanket. In this video, I am going to show you how you can update your Windows operating system. Make sure the internet connection which you are using is not set to metered connection. If it's set to metered connection, the updates will not happen seamlessly. So now we have done that. Then click on the start button and then click on settings. In settings, click on update and security. After clicking update and security, you can see the Windows update dialog box. From here, we can update the Windows operating system. Now you will see a dialog box here like check for updates or resume for updates. I have stopped the updates for you to show how this works. That's why I have shown the resume updates, but in your system it can be check for updates dialog box. So click on whatever you are getting, and after that the download should be started. So friends, by using these simple steps you can update the Windows system. If you are facing any problem while doing it, please feel free to comment down below and I will tell you the solution of it. Thank you for watching.